What's up everybody? Welcome to another honest review. Today we are going to talk about the UWANT D100 wet dry vacuum cleaner, which sets a new benchmark for wet dry vacuums under $300. Most popular wet dry vacuums on the market are priced between $300 and $700. In contrast, the UWANT D100 offers exceptional performance and innovative features at a price point of less than $300, delivering great value for money. Eva, my friend and my workmate, balancing her busy schedule, found it ideal for handling various cleaning scenarios like reaching under low furniture and effectively removing dust and dirt from hard to reach areas. Not only Eva, actually, it's me who have bought the UWANT D100 and I'm in love with this D100 because it's truly easy to use and this wet dry vacuum cleaner is truly very efficient. The push-in base station for UWANT D100 sets a new standard for convenience and efficiency. Simply pushing the vacuum into the base automatically initiates self-cleaning and drying, eliminating the need for manual maintenance. This innovative design ensures spill-free and hygienic operation, making it ideal for busy households. By integrating functionality and ease of use, the docking station streamlines the cleaning process and keeps the vacuum ready for action, saving valuable time and effort in everyday tasks. The D100 delivers exceptional cleaning power thanks to its brushless motor that generates 17,000 Pascal suction. This high performance suction easily handles the dust and sticky spills on various surfaces, from tiles to hardwood. The 450 RPM roller brush works in sync with the motor to ensure efficient and consistent cleaning across large areas. One of its standout features is the three adjustable water levels, which allows users to customize their cleaning experience.
Low water output. Normal water output. High water output.
Level 1 is perfect for delicate wooden floors, Level 2 works best for tiles, and Level 3 tackles stubborn stains with ease, making the D100 adaptable to a variety of tasks. Additionally, the 100-tooth comb scraper prevents hair entanglement during cleaning. This smart design eliminates manual detangling, keeping the roller brush clean and efficient for tackling all kinds of debris effortlessly. The UWANT D100 offers three distinct cleaning modes tailored to different needs. Smart mode intelligently detects dirt levels and adjusts suction power and water flow for optimal cleaning. Turbo mode is perfect for tackling tough stains such as dried spills or stubborn dirt. While dry mode works without water, vacuuming debris efficiently for quick cleanups. The D100 also shines in precision cleaning, thanks to its three-sided edge cleaning capability. This feature ensures dirt and debris along walls, furniture edges, and corners are removed thoroughly. Combined with the 180-degree lie-flat reach, the D100 can clean under furniture or in tight spaces effortlessly. Whether managing daily upkeep or a more intensive cleaning session, these modes provide flexibility and efficiency, leaving no mess behind. I'm really happy to see that the UWANT D100 is designed with user comfort in mind. Yeah, I've been feeling very comfortable with this design. Okay, weighing just 4.29 kilograms, it features a floating handle that adapts to wrist movements, making cleaning less tiring. Its 180-degree lie flat reach is especially helpful for accessing areas under furniture without lifting or moving items. This ergonomic design ensures cleaning is efficient and hassle-free. The 2-in-1 water tank system simplifies maintenance. With a 650 ml clean water tank and a 700 ml dirty water tank, the D100 allows extended cleaning without frequent refilling or emptying. Its push-in mechanism ensures smooth operation, while clear indicators make it easy to monitor water levels. Whether cleaning wet or dry debris, the water tank's intuitive design supports a seamless cleaning experience. The anti-odor stick in the dirty water tank effectively reduces unpleasant odors, a common issue for most users. However, timely replacement of the sewage is still highly recommended after cleaning. The D100's self-cleaning feature saves time and effort by using electrolyzed water to clean the roller brush thoroughly. Its bidirectional brush rotation ensures that debris is removed efficiently, leaving the vacuum fresh and ready for use. The detachable floor brush is IPX6 water washable, allowing for easy rinsing under a tap when needed. After docking, the vacuum automatically begins its 60 degrees Celsius hot air drying process with 8 minutes, completing the process in about an hour. This ensures the vacuum is always in top condition and ready for consistent performance. The UWANT D100 is powered by a robust battery that delivers up to 35 minutes of runtime on a single charge. This makes it ideal for cleaning large areas up to 180 meters square without interruptions. My friend Eva finds the reliable battery particularly helpful, allowing her to handle multiple tasks in one go, whether tackling routine cleaning or a bigger mess. The D100's long-lasting battery ensures consistent performance, setting it apart from other vacuums in its class. Okay, it's time to wrap up. Truly, the UWANT D100 combines advanced features and ease of use. Moreover, it delivers exceptional cleaning performance while it only costs less than $300. So, not only me, my friend Eva, and many of my other friends and workmates are already using this UWANT D100. So, if you're looking for the best value for money wet dry vacuum cleaner, then well, I have left a link in the description box. Go ahead and check it out. But before you go, one request: if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.